Hi you guys, it's your girl Tonia once again, and I am back with another wig review video. I got another Amazon wig, y'all. Amazon is like killing the game when it comes to these units and their pricing, and on top of that, their shipping is hella fast because if you get Prime, they take in like 2 days. So you can't lose with Amazon right now. Amazon is killing the game for real, for real. So yeah, this wig. Let's go. So, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell. That way you'll know whenever I put out new wig reviews, which is every week. I try to do a video once a week. I'm trying to get better and try to get it so that I'm recording twice a week at least. But we working towards that. We working towards that, y'all. But I definitely always upload on Saturdays. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well. And let's get into this video. Let's just go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. We going. So the wig that I am bringing to you today is from PF Wigs, and it is a seller on Amazon. Like I said, if you have Prime, you will be getting this wig in like 2 days, y'all. 2 days. So this is the box that it came in. It also came with a bag what the wig was in. The wig is a 360 Brazilian human hair water wave unit. And when I tell you guys that this unit is definitely a style, a wig that I would buy over and over and over again, man, I love curls, waves, anything that's just easy. I can just grab it and go. I don't have to do a lot of maintenance to it. So this is definitely this wig. This is a 16-inch unit, and let me show you. I'm 5'2", so let me show you how long it is on me. So it is here, and also let me show you the back of the unit as well. So the unit comes with 2 combs, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and also a comb at the top. Like I said, it is a 360 lace front, so the lace goes all the way around the unit. I haven't gotten any shedding from this unit. I haven't gotten any tangling from this unit. This unit is one of the better quality wigs that I have, and I have some wigs that are way more expensive than this guy, and this quality of this unit is just impeccable, you guys. It's bomb. The cost of this unit, I believe, is don't give me the line. I will post it up here because I can't remember what the cost of it. I don't believe it is more than 130, and it's somewhere in the 130, 160 range. I'm not quite sure, but like I said, I will post it, and I will also link links and information for this wig in the description box below. So back to the unit though. These curls are everything. Everything. Like, it's just, oh, it's so pretty. And you can part this unit any way you want because there's all lace here, so you can part it anywhere you want. It's freestyling part. If you want to wear your hair up, which sometimes I like to wear my wigs up like this, you can easily do so. It already has baby hairs as well, so you don't have to cut baby hairs because baby hairs are already there for you. So, you know, you can't go wrong with this wig. I'm sorry. You just can't. Like, I want to buy another one just because this wig is just so pretty. Like, I want to buy another one. Like, you just can't go wrong with this wig. Like, it's just, it's the truth. It's everything. So if you guys like this video, give this wig a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.